Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these simple door hinges and some scrap metal into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm starting with a sturdy steel door hinge and two small pieces of square metal tubing. I'm using my welder to securely fuse the square tubing to the leaves of the hinge. It's crucial to get a deep, strong weld here because this central pivot point will endure a massive amount of pressure later on. After welding, I always chip away the slag to ensure the joint is solid and clean. I need a handle to provide leverage. I'm taking a solid steel pipe and welding it directly to one of the square tubes we just attached to the hinge. This long handle is absolutely necessary because it multiplies my pulling force, making bending thick metal much easier. I'll clean up the weld again with a chipping hammer and wire brush. For the base of the tool, I'm measuring and marking a heavy-duty piece of C-channel steel. I'm using an angle grinder to cut it to the perfect length. This heavy, wide base will keep the tool stable and prevent it from tipping over during operation. I'll position our hinge and handle assembly right in the middle of the C-channel base and weld it down solidly. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm measuring a piece of angle iron. I'll cut this down to size to create a sturdy backstop for the metal we'll be bending. I'm welding this angle iron stop to the C-channel base, ensuring it is perfectly square. This stop will help keep our workpieces perfectly aligned. I'm welding two small pieces of metal to the side of the angle iron. This welding helps to secure the angle iron firmly to the base. I'll use the angle grinder to smooth out the edges of the stop, so it doesn't snag or scratch the metal we're working with. I'm taking a piece of metal and placing it in position so so the handle fits snugly against the stop and marking it. Next, I'm placing this modified piece of metal onto the handle. It will act as the actual mold for shaping the metal. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I have a metal pipe, and I've measured and marked a point. I'm using a grinder to cut it. Now, I'm fabricating some small metal guides and welding them to the sides of the base. These guides are essential for holding the flat metal bars flush against the base, preventing them from twisting or popping up while I apply downward pressure with a handle. I'll weld these and create a smooth, rounded surface for the metal to bend against, preventing sharp creases or structural cracks in the finished pieces. I'm welding the iron pipe to the handle to create a bend point. Let's test it. I'm threading a thin piece of metal into the guide grooves and pulling the handle. See how the leverage works. You see, it bends solid metal easily and precisely where I want it. This homemade tool is incredibly strong and precise. Next, I'm placing the bent metal pieces into position to bend them into a U-shaped bracket. With this setup, I can easily make all sorts of complex shapes. perfect 90-degree brackets, rounded hooks, and U-bends. Our incredible heavy-duty metal bender, made entirely from scrap and a simple door hinge. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you would build with this tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.